We just finished closing the reactor vessel. Now it's your turn. You're going to reinstall the sealing of the thermocouple column.
Okay, I'm ready.
To limit your dose exposure, you should do right the first time. You will benefit from live dosimetry mapping, displayed working document, and remote access to an expert. This ends the pre-job briefing. You can go now, and we'll provide you with a permanent remote assistance.
Perfect. I'm going down, inspecting, reinstalling, and coming back up. Let's go.
Before entering the working zone, you know the FME rules. Nothing lost, nothing forgotten.
I'm scanning my tools in the box.
Visual check, okay. All your tools are tagged and identified. No anomalies detected.
Okay, move further to the right to stay away from the hotspot and remain in the green zone.
Copy that. Am I good here?
Perfect.
Boss, I confirm a visual defect. Small scratch on the sealing surface of the conocyle joint.
1 minute stop to consult the expert.
I trigger the expert assistance via protocol for remote assistance and expert review.
Well received. It's a superficial micro-scratch, not deep. I confirm that the defect is acceptable. You can proceed.
Okay, resuming the process. Thank you. Stacked assembly engaged, component aligned according to procedure.
Looks good. Continue with the tightening. The working data package indicates 1.2 decanewton meters.
Okay, I'm tightening.
I validate the remote technical inspection of torque tightening and record it on the digital site work package. I ask the AI to confirm that everything is okay and to transmit the information to SIT activity.
Ready for the final inspection?
Scan, okay.
Okay, we're wrapping up.
Intervention completed.
Job well done with reduced dosimetry and on time. The digital site work package AI detects no inconsistencies. I confirm the end of the operation. Progress has been automatically updated in SIT activity. And a notification has been sent. The site manager, headquarters, and the plant operator have been informed.
So, shall we validate?
Everything went flawlessly. We're right on schedule.
Thanks to Framatome team, an intervention optimized and well managed.